Hey there! Today I'm going to be sharing some information about store cards, inquiries, and how they affect your credit. If you don't know what store cards I'm talking about, that's honestly for the best. Just imagine you've been shopping in the mall and have built up quite a hefty receipt, and you see an offer that'll make that purchase sting just a little bit less. The offer? Get a store card and save today. Amazing! You can save 15% off your purchase today, whether that's $10, $30, or even $50 or more. While that discount saved you money and seemed pretty good overall, what you don't know is that here in the credit industry, we see more late payments on store cards than almost any other type of account. There's a reason for this. So many people have store card accounts that they value less than a standard credit card. Now, some people may think a store card is just another quick way to save some money, but in reality, there's a lot more to it than that. Essentially, whenever you apply for one of those store cards, you get a hard inquiry on your credit report. Just like any other credit line, your credit has to be checked before you can be approved. Inquiries account for about 10% of your credit score. Now, we don't exactly believe a bit of savings in this store and the next are worth numerous hits to your credit score. Sometimes your credit will be pulled, but you'll still be denied that store card. The scores required to get approved are typically very, very high, so it's possible your 600 plus credit score could drop down to the 500s just to get denied a store card. There are more negatives that come with these store cards. They tend to have low credit limits, normally around $250 to $500, and they're only good in the one store. These store cards also tend to have super high interest rates, which further goes to show that these are not multi-use cards. If you've heard all this information and you still want to get a store card, please, please, please make your payments on time. The worst part about these store cards is not the inquiries. The worst part is all the late payments when people forget to pay the card. From a credit perspective, a late payment is a late payment. Doesn't matter if you make a late payment on your mortgage or on one of these store cards, your credit score is going to get hit. And probably pretty hard. After all, payment history makes up 35% of your total credit score. When getting a new store card, you could quickly find yourself having additional late payments and inquiries on your credit report, all for $35 off those new shoes you wanted so bad. It's really, really easy to buy now and pay later these days. But if you are serious about having good credit, these store cards are not exactly your friend. It is way easier and more beneficial to just avoid them altogether. We hope you learned a little bit more about those sneaky store cards and how they can affect your credit. Armed with this knowledge, you're better prepared to make the right choice in the future. As always, good luck and have a great day.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing or leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the links in the description. Have a good one.